In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and security. Now click on Face Unlock. Enter your current login method and read the disclaimer. After that, tap on Start. Click on Next after 5 seconds in Attention pop-up and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. Then click on Done. Lastly, adjust all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to chosen features. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, click on it. Tap on Delete Face Data at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!